Today I would like also to explain how all this project came to life. And also one important thing is to share with you that the same principle that I have used for this development of the projects, I have created also the training courses which is already available and running, and also all the previews that I have made, all the videos, let's say the marine simulations, the advanced course of boilers, they have the same principle and logic as well and structure. So the framework remains the same. The approach, so there is a problem, there is a gap, how we resolve it. And this is the reason why this methodology is so much effective because it combines the real experience from on board the vessel, analyzing the information and the data received, how it responds to the real world of maritime and the shipping itself, how it will disrupt the supply chain in case the parameters are changing. So all that expertise is accumulated in each and every video. And from the beginning to build this, let's say, product at the end, because I believe the company itself and the channel itself, it's a great product. It took many years, and I can say clearly 2 decades to reach the level that we are now. So it does not come over a night, okay? It does not become like a just, let's say, spark. So there is entire building, brick by brick, day by day, week by week, month by month, year by year, decade by decade. And so here I am now in order to provide high quality, high value products. So as I told you, through the training, through the videos, you are able to position your fleet much better and became much more powerful in order to leverage all this knowledge to achieve the highest level of goals. First of all, yes, it seems very simple, very easy, but I can tell you that each and every step took a lot of time until verify and prove all the things, how they interact with the real situation and the real supply chain. As we know, the supply chain is really huge. It's really huge. It has a lot of things, a lot of people engaging. And in case something does not working properly, then we have the disruption, we have increase of the expenses. And I can tell you from my experience, this has a huge and ongoing effect to all the people involved. Through my expertise also, and through my latest project, which was successfully implemented, some optimizations give directly results through the cost optimization as well. Some other took around 3 to 4 months from the day of fully delivery of the project itself. So one of the projects provide around 300 cost savings, thousands of dollars per year. And other projects provide, let's say, 4 to 5 million. Depends also the usage of the project itself. Then you give this additional flexibility to your fleet, to your traders, to your company itself, positioning in the market much more flexible, much more less cost to operate as well, much safer with all that implementation. And what is make this project to separate from all of the rest of the projects? Its price is a tiny fraction. It's a really a tiny fraction from the beginning till the end, because all the things has been analyzed with decades of experience, knowing the supply chain, knowing how the markets are working and how the businesses are working as well, where to improve and where to give this attention, and also the reason why to give this attention. Many of these things that are there, but nobody is noticed them, because simply in today's fast-paced world there is a lot of things that are coming around. There is a lot of disturbance, let's say, yes, through the day. So there is no power from the existing people and the business development managers, let's say, to look on it, because there already has this allocation, let's say. And neither AI has this availability to uh, introduce these things, because AI is not a complete product. It does not have experience from the vessel itself, so it does not actually know how the things are working and how the things are placed, because it's just only receive what it is input on the system, is just what is available on the web, what is entirely, let's say, available on the web. And I can say definitely for years it will not be any change from the AI. So basically it responds to the questions that you have set. It does not know all the aspects and how they affect the system, because simply it does not have this experience. Maybe, let's say, after 20, 30 years it will be built, because yes, there will be more questions input, more things, but I am for sure 100% that this will not replace the way how we design the project. Maybe it will help to refine them, to make a little bit more polishing effect, but the main core will be unchanged. And also looking, let's say, from our engineering, let's say, perspective, I cannot imagine, let's say, a robot to making a purifier overhauling, or let's say to respond to multiple requests directly. Looking, let's say, from the real existing let's say real world situations, I can definitely say no, any robot or any AI can handle these kind of tasks. Maybe some of them will be able, let's say, to reach 10 or 20% of what a human are doing, but they do not have the fully understanding, the fully control, and that the way of the improvisation and the way of thinking. So yes, maybe some jobs can be replaced, which is like, let's say, transactions and all the things, but mainly the core of jobs like professions like marine engineering, I think it will not be easily replaced. I know that the one case that in 80s and 70s Japanese made a fully automated ship weighs 100%, but that ship does not sail for a long time, because yes, there is a lot of equipment, a lot of machinery, which simply the cost is much higher than to set a person there, oversee the systems, overlook the system, and take actions. And also one thing that the robots does not have is the realization of the safety and the security. Due to the feeling of safety and to be safe from people, and yes, this is really human, this is what makes and stand from any other system that can be deployed. I really does not believe in AI itself as to fully change the people. Yes, I would like, let's say, AI and robots to make some processes which is boring to, let's say, in the factories, just taking, let's say, cups or milks and okay, set it up and all the things. But personally, yes, I does not see any kind of let's say winning from the AI or robots in the future. So I see them like a assistance to the human, not replacing the human. And also I see that there will be a delay on that, a huge delay, so the things will not progress as fast as it has been introduced. Similarly, with the new technology also, the people are not able to absorb the technology so fast. And also the other thing is that there is a lot of parameters which is not taking in account yet, so the progress will not be as fast they say, let's say, and they imagine. And I really believe as well that looking here, a good example that this project stands out from all the other projects because simply nobody has addressed it for many years, let's say decades, even since, let's say, I started in the industry. So the problem is there until we find it, and I have found it, yes, that there is several problems. And the reason also why I'm willing to deal with that and provide my expertise and showcase that is because we need to be more efficient, more safe, and much more transparent. So basically it will change the framework and the structure, how the things are working. And I told you that all that things, the same way that all the videos has been created and all the training materials that has been created in this channel, the same logic and the same framework I am following, because this is the way how the structure take real volume from the beginning, because as we treat the data basically creates volume and creates real impact. So let's say on that, and I will make an update soon with all the latest changes and all the latest progress on this project. So I will work on that and you have to stay tuned. Don't forget, so the material is already there. If you want to be an expert in the crudo washing, just get the book and combine it also with the online course which is already available on the channel. Thank you and bye bye.